Tired of wrestling with complicated insurance logins? Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly pay your Geico bill without even creating an account, saving you time and hassle. The easiest way to pay without signing up is directly through Geico website itself. Start by going to the official Geico website on any device like your phone or computer. Look for the option to make a payment or a similar button labeled Pay Bill. It is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click it. Now, you access the payment portal. Locate the section that asks for your policy number. You must enter it exactly as it appears on your insurance documents. After the policy number, the portal will prompt for additional information to verify your identity, typically including details like your last name and zip code. Once your identity is verified, you'll be guided to the payment section here. Enter your payment details, such as your credit card, debit card, or bank account information. Double-check all the numbers to ensure accuracy. After verifying your payment method, the website should show a confirmation screen. This screen confirms the payment was successful. Take a screenshot, save the confirmation number, and that is it. You have paid your Geico Premium like a pro.